Everyone's talking about AI replacing jobs. But who's going to build the AI that creates the new ones? There's a difference between using AI tools and building AI systems. One gets you a job, the other makes you irreplaceable. Hi, I'm Ashwin, Head of Academics at NST's Bangalore campus. And here's the harsh truth about AI education in India. Most engineering students graduate having implemented AI models in Jupyter notebooks, not built intelligent systems that actually work in production. There's a massive gap between training a model on clean datasets and deploying AI that handles messy real-world data, deals with edge cases, and makes critical decisions that affect people's lives. In this video, I'll break down NST's AI specialization that you can choose at NST Bangalore. We'll cover the philosophical foundation that makes our AI program unique, the T-shaped professional model we're building, when students begin their AI focus and why timing matters, the 4 core pillars of intelligent systems, and why Bangalore is the perfect launchpad. Our curriculum is built on a simple but powerful principle, the engineering of intelligent systems. Think about it this way. Intelligence isn't just about pattern recognition or data processing. True intelligence requires 3 interconnected capabilities. Perception, how a system takes in and understands complex, unstructured data from the world. This is your computer vision, your natural language processing. Reasoning and learning, how a system processes that data, learns from it, makes predictions or inferences. This is your machine learning, your deep learning, and your logical systems. And action and decision making, how a system uses its inferences to make decisions and act upon the world. Most programs teach these as separate subjects. Here's where NST's approach gets really interesting. We're not just training AI specialists, we're building what we call the T-shaped professionals. The vertical bar of the T, that's your deep expertise in AI and machine learning. You'll master the mathematics, the algorithms, and the implementation details. The horizontal bar, that's your broad functional understanding of key application domains: healthcare, finance, manufacturing, entertainment. Why does this matter? Because the AI engineers the companies are desperately looking for aren't just script kiddies who can implement wrapper app. They need people who understand both the technology deeply and the domain where it's being applied. Most universities introduce AI as an elective in the final year, which is too little and way too late. At NST, we flip this entirely. Your first 3 semesters are dedicated to building a rock-solid foundation, not just programming, the essential mathematics and the core computer science that AI actually requires. And I'm talking about math with a purpose. Calculus, but not your standard engineering calculus. We emphasize on derivatives, partial derivatives, gradients, and the chain rule. Linear algebra, the language of modern machine learning. Vectors, matrices, tensors, matrix decomposition. This is what lets you represent high-dimensional data, perform dimensionality reduction, and understand the mechanics of self-attention and transformers. Probability and statistics, because AI operates in a world of uncertainty. Probability distributions, Bayesian inference, hypothesis testing. These aren't abstract concepts. These are the tools you use to build probabilistic models and quantify uncertainty. Discrete maths, formal logic for knowledge representation, graph theory for modeling everything from social networks to neural network architecture themselves. By your 4th semester, you're not a beginner anymore. You've got the mathematical foundation and programming skills to dive deep into AI. And this is exactly how it's meant to flow. Because when you start specializing in AI, you're not learning syntax and basic programming concepts. You're engineering intelligent systems. The 4 core pillars. Now let's talk about what you'll actually learn once you start your AI specialization. Pillar 1. Introduction to Machine Learning and AI. This isn't your typical Intro to AI course. We combine rigorous theory with project-driven learning, ethics, interpretability, and deployment skills for real-world impact. You'll understand AI paradigms and their ethical implications. But most importantly, you'll create deployable, explainable, end-to-end ML systems. Pillar 2. Deep Learning. This is where you dive deep into the architecture and training of neural networks. CNNs for computer vision, RNNs for sequential data, and the transformer architecture that's powering everything from ChatGPT to protein folding prediction. This course is intensely practical. You'll implement these architectures in PyTorch or TensorFlow, but more importantly, you'll understand why they work, not just how to use them. Pillar 3. Natural language processing. Teaching computers to understand and generate human language. You'll work with modern techniques based on word embeddings, transformers, BERT, GPT, and other architectures that are reshaping how we interact with technology. Pillar 4. Computer vision. Make the computer see. You'll explore both classical techniques and modern deep learning approaches using CNNs, from basic image classification to object detection, semantic segmentation, and beyond. All these might sound like a lot, and they are, but don't worry, you'll have the right kind of mentorship, peer support, and guidance at NST to help you learn and thrive every step of the way. Student projects, the real deal. These are some sample projects that you will be able to build by the end of your undergraduate education. Nature Cards, a mobile game inspired by Pokemon Go that encourages users to engage with nature and learn about local plant life. Deflingo, an interactive sign language learning platform that uses computer vision to provide real-time feedback on signing techniques. This is AI for social impact. MediCheck, an AI-powered personal medication advisor that learns user habits to offer tailored dosage reminders, flag missed dosages, and detect potential drug interactions. Narratron, an interactive projector that uses AI to co-create and narrate children's stories in real time based on shadow puppets. There's human-AI collaboration in storytelling. These aren't just cool projects. They're solving real problems for real people. Why Bangalore changes everything? Bangalore isn't just India's Silicon Valley. It's becoming a global AI hub. NST students become part of this ecosystem. They attend meetups, collaborate with industry experts, intern at companies that are defining the future of AI in India. If you're ready to go beyond implementing existing models, beyond following tutorials, and start engineering intelligent systems that actually solve real problems, NST Bangalore's AI specialization is where that journey begins. We're not just teaching you to use AI tools, we're teaching you to build the next generation of intelligent systems. Go to the link in the pinned comment to check out NST's UG Tech program and dive deep into our specializations. Your future in AI starts here.